A very good morning to all the grade 8 learners tuning in. I hope that you're all doing well and that your paper 1 was a success, or at least that you have tried your best and gave it your all. We are still busy with our exam series, the exam prep, and this set of recordings will now focus on paper 2. As you can see here, we've got the grade 8 mathematics tutorial, so just calling it a tutorial, and it is basically set up to cover most of the aspects of paper 2. So hierdie tutorial sal meeste van die vrae of tipe vrae dek wat jy kan verwag in jou tweede vraestel. You can see it's quite comprehensive as we scroll through it. There's quite a few questions. I did not put it as a test this time. There's no mark allocation because we are just trying to cover most of these questions. Hopefully we can cover all of them in the series so that you are able to access all of the live recordings. And that will of course be a lot more than the paper 1 recordings. As you can see, there's quite a few questions, very comprehensive, maybe even a bit more complex than the ones that you have been used to in the classroom, especially as you see here by number or question 5. The area and perimeter questions are quite, I have to say they're quite challenging. So yeah, can't wait to get to that, but we will start with question 1 and we will get immediately into what that is and how to solve or approach these types of problems. So question 1, vraag 1, calculate with reasons the value of the unknowns, unknown or unknowns if there's more than one, in the following figures. Bereken met redes die onbrekende waardes in die volgende figure. So here we've got 1.1.1 and 1.1.2. So I just extracted it from the question paper so we can maybe work a bit easier. The first question deals with a set of straight lines that are basically extending from a point. So the point over there in the middle, and this of course is very easily identifiable as angles around a point. So that is Hoeke om 'n punt. So we need to add all the angles around that point, and we all know that angles around a point add up to 360 degrees. So I will start with 3x. It doesn't matter where you start. You can go clockwise, anti-clockwise. You can add them, the variables first and then the numbers, or numbers then variables. Doesn't matter as long as you make sure that you add all of the angles. So jy kan dan begin, ek sal begin met 3x. So 3x plus 65 grade plus 2x plus 82 grade plus 78 grade. En dit is als gelijk aan 360 grade. So that is the equation, adding up all the angles and putting them equal to 360. Why? Because angles around a point, I will include the Afrikaans in blue. Hoeke om 'n punt. So that is your reason, dit is jou rede. So jy het 'n bewering gemaak en die rede moet natuurlik ooreenstem met die bewering. So here we can just rearrange everything so that we have variables and numbers separated. So I will have 3x plus the 2x, and then I can just add up all the numbers. And put it equal to 360. Then we have 5x, adding up all the variables, and if we add up all the numbers, we've got 65 degrees plus 82 plus 78 gives us 225 degrees. So that is 225 on the left is equal to 360 degrees on the right. Dan natuurlijk gaan ons die onbekende waarde op sy eie wil kry, of isoleer. So ons gaan 225 aftrek van beide kante. That will then, so it will look like this, 360 minus 225. Of course, we subtracted 225 from the left, which left us with 5x only. And then 5x, of course, is then equal to 135 degrees. Then we need to divide both sides by 5. And we find that x is equal to 27 degrees. And did we answer the question? It says that we need to calculate the value of the unknown. So the value of the unknown has been found. It is 27 degrees.